So there's like one thing that I actually like almost as much as horses, and that's saying something. And that just so happens to be popcorn. I really, really like popcorn. I eat popcorn to a fault. I don't drink alcohol or coffee or really like do anything bad, but I eat a lot of popcorn. This is not what this video is about. This video is not about popcorn, but it definitely connects and correlates. If you're new here, welcome to the studio. My name is Darynn. This is DeeJayBe Studios. And I've been hustling for the last year, and it's coming down to the time where I get to share these really exciting special things, and I am so excited about it. So I just wanted to tell you about it because there's going to be a little bit of a different way of how we go about it this time. If you are participating at all in BreyerFest 2025 this year, you can be in person or you can be virtual, but you have to have a ticket. You're going to be able to purchase my tutorial for recreating Kemosabe, which was such a cool project. He has a scheduled like release date, but you can actually find like the little sneaky peeky preview already on my website. I basically redid the old mold Kemosabe, which is the Breyer that we know and love. He's a little wonky, he's a little quirky, so we just gave him like a little update, and that's part of my series of keeping the vibe alive. If you know anything about me or my studio or my channel, you know that I do the contest thing every year, and it's kind of just become a thing that I do. The Best Customs contest deadline is approaching really quickly, and everybody is getting into that panicky mode, and it's the best time of the year where everybody starts revealing these crazy pieces they've spent the last year working on, and it's the best time to be on the internet by far, and I've already seen like little glimpses of some, and they're looking so cool. So I'm very, very, very excited about my Best Customs piece. I'm from Canada, which means I can't actually participate in the contest. I just make an entry for fun every year. And that's been the thing that I've done for the last several years. With that, I film the entire process of creating these pieces, and I put a lot of heart and a lot of soul into them. And the last year has been a struggle. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like to put too much of my personal garbage on the internet, but it's not been super smooth sailing. And so my art has lacked a little bit. These pieces really rekindled the love and the passion and the fire again. And I think you can really see that like there was struggle behind them, which makes them even more personal and even more exciting to reveal. This first piece that I'm going to reveal to you guys, his name is Kai. And Kai is my unofficial Best Customs contest entry. I'm not going to give you any more insight into that. We're not going to show you what category he's in. We're not going to show you anything about him. If you are part of the Patreon though, you've seen behind the scenes of this. And so if you want like a crazy sneak peek, I would recommend not, because like the video is going to come out in a couple days and we'll get to that. You could technically spoil everything I'm about to show you by going to my Patreon. This time, instead of just posting these pictures on the internet, I have actually completed his entire making of video, which is like the highlight of my YouTube. That's honestly my favorite YouTube videos I make. I feel like it's your guys' favorite YouTube videos, and they take a lot of time and there's a lot of heart that goes into them, but it's so, so worth it. And so I've completed the whole making of video of Kai already. So I'm going to reveal him with the video, but we're going to do it as a YouTube premiere this Saturday on June 10th. Nope. This Saturday on June 12th. Oh my gosh, I don't know what day. Saturday is June 14th. I don't know what. Saturday, June 14th, the Kai premiere is happening at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And my task to you, to all of you followers, you diehard fans, is to obviously come to the premiere. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be so much fun. There's like going to be a little live chat happening at the same time. We all get to watch it together, which is great. It's kind of like a movie. It's like almost an hour long. We talked about popcorn. The best thing we can have in conjunction with the YouTube premiere is popcorn. So I want you to pop your best popcorn, make yourself a bowl of popcorn, and come to the Kai premiere. You will not want to miss it. And I think this is how I'm going to do all of my making of videos going forward. I really want to make like it more of a like community experience, and we can hang out and it'll be a lot of fun. So I plan on revealing my stone horse contest piece the same way. I have a second piece. His name is Enigma, and he is the stone contest horse. So this is one that will actually be coming to Kentucky with me for BreyerFest 2025. I very much look forward to it because he is a very special piece. I mean, I say they're all really special, but Enigma, he hits different. And I kind of gave up the like contest premise essentially and just like put my soul into this project. So he's really special, and his reveal is going to be coming out on July 5th, and that will just be a photo reveal. I don't have his making a video complete because his story isn't complete yet. He has to come with me to Kentucky and compete, and then we will see the outcome of the contest. So that video will be at a later date when I return from Lexington, but I will probably do it as a premiere again because we need to eat popcorn every time we watch a DeeJayBe video. That needs to be a new tradition. June 14th and July 5th are my two big contest reveals. I am attending BreyerFest 2025. My husband is coming with me this year, so we're about to throw him into the deep end of model horses. He's never experienced any function. He hasn't been to a live show or anything, so he's going to be completely like, pow. And my mom would have loved to come to BreyerFest. Unfortunately, she cannot this year, so he's coming in place of her. And I'm doing all the same things that I did last year because I'm crazy. So I will have my stone contest entry available for viewing at the Marriott Hotel as part of the Stone Equilocity event. I don't know where that's going to be. They've changed it, and I don't understand the map thing, so I don't know if it's in the same room. But anyways, you can just like go from the Clarion to the Marriott. It's like walking distance between the parking lots, and the whole stone thing is happening, and I think it's great. There's like two events happening at once. I am teaching 2 times, both on the Thursday and the Saturday. All of those workshop slots are full, unfortunately. It's really hard to get into, but there will be big news on that coming soon. So don't be too upset if you didn't get into that workshop. I don't really want to like say too much because then I will feel really bad if things don't work out. So I'm just going to leave that as like a little bug in your ear. The Thursday is a new addition to BreyerFest. Originally, it was only Friday to Sunday, but now there's the Thursday. So the open show is happening on the Thursday, and a bunch of the workshops are. So I will also be doing the meet and greet tent on Saturday, July 12th at 3 to 4 p.m. with Infinity Breyers or Trinity. And that's going to be so much fun. That was like my favorite part of last year. It was crazy how many people came to say hi. That is like the autograph tent where all the horses come. So like it's kind of just like in the corner of the park, and all the like actual real horses and their owners are signing models there. And then Trinity and I just overtake it as just human beings, which is much less exciting, but people seem to be very excited about it. I will be there, and then I will be participating in the social media meetup at 8 p.m. that evening at the Clarion Hotel. Last year, I was supposed to be part of that, and it got kind of hectic and crazy, and I didn't quite fulfill my duties the way that I should have this year. I'm making an effort to show up this year. It's a lot of socializing for me in one day. I love you guys, and I want to hang out with you guys, and it's like the highlight to meet you all and say hi. And that's where I will be. Otherwise, I'll just be wandering around the park. I'll be in my DeeJayBe merch, so it'll be on the front and back of me. And if you see me, say hi. I'm quite short, but my husband is like 6 foot, so you'll probably see him, and he's branded in the same thing, DeeJayBe on the back. His shirts all say DeeJayBe's husband, in case you're unclear. And then additionally, of course, every year I have an online sale. Once again, I'm not taking anything with me to BreyerFest. A bunch of the stuff is actually already sold, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try and like have more, and honestly, I'm just gonna try and sell more throughout the year. I've got a bunch of stuff in the works, and I've been pretty motivated to get it out and moved. So you're going to see more pieces for sale. That being said, I am doing the Gambler sticker again. This year it's called the Gambler Gals, and they're cute little mare wind blowing stickers in a couple color variations. And when you purchase one, you get your name put into a draw for a Sondette copy and a bunch of my medallions. I'm giving away 5 prize packs this year. The sale is running until the end of July, so you have lots of time to order them, but be sure to not forget. I also have some new exclusive sticker designs, including the Kemosabe custom, and I only have like a handful of Sondettes left as well. There's only like 3, I think. So if you're considering a Sondette, this is the last of the edition, and then she's done. So don't hesitate. Participate. I just wanted to update you all on all the things that are happening, and mainly inviting you to come to the Kai premiere this Saturday and have your popcorn ready to go, because it's going to be so much fun. This has just been a little chatty catching up video, just letting you know what's happening. And I've got lots of really fun YouTube content coming soon too, and tutorials. I know you've been dying for tutorials. There will be more updates as we go, and I will keep you in the loop with Enigma. And if you don't already follow me on all my social medias, that's how you will be in the know. Also, my mailing list, I'm gonna like reboot the mailing list to be better, because social media is not reliable anymore. I know that people just aren't seeing things, so I'm gonna be trying to like make a better mailing list system. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you guys there this weekend. And if not, check out all the things, Patreon, social media, and a bunch of links are in the description below if you want to check out any of the sales or any of the things, or the link to the Kai premiere. So I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for supporting, following, and happy BreyerFest time. It's getting so close.